is my third reaction video for the day. Right now I'm gonna be reacting to Maleek Berry. I'm gonna be reacting to Maleek Berry's Love You Long Time featuring Chip. Alright, the official video. And he dropped this the 6th. That was what, like yesterday? Yeah, he dropped this yesterday and it's already at 158,000 views. I love me some Naija music or anything Naija inspired, and his voice is so amazing. His swag is so on point. Like his style and everything, his flow is just amazing. Actually, one of my friends put me onto him. I had no idea he existed until probably about a couple months ago. So I'm like hooked now on Maleek Berry. So I'm gonna be reacting to this right quick. Y'all know the deal. Before I begin, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and y'all be sure to drop me a comment down below. Comment, let me know what you guys think about the video. But we're gonna get right into it now, so y'all can watch it with me and let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get into it. Jelly Bandit. His voice, Jesus. Her tattoo, her legs are tatting. Be fine. I like what he's wearing in this video. His outfit is nice. Hey. This has a nice vibe. I like it. He has nice tears. That's dope. Yo guys, like any video where the shoot, you can tell it was like a vibe, like I'm in love already. Like with any video that has like a vibe and a nice presence, like if you were there in person you would actually love it. Like I'm already in love with the video, and that's what I could see going on. Like I legit love the vibe that was on set. It looks like it was actually fun, and I don't know, I just think that's pretty cool. But I love the song. Another song probably is gonna be like a new ringtone or something, because I legit love Maleek Berry. Like him dope. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about the video though. Shoot me a comment down below, drop me something down there and let me know what you guys think about the video, if y'all thought the concept was cool and all that stuff. And I think I'm gonna be reacting to more Naija type videos from now on, because like their music, their dance moves and everything is literally mind-blowing. Like if you never take them in, like legit take them in. I'm low-key getting very obsessed. Like their dance and their beats, and like I'm just obsessed, I swear. And I kind of feel like a connection, like in some kind of way, kind of remind me of dancer, like that vibe, if you get what I say. It's crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't know what you think. Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And if you guys want me to react to more Naija inspired Afrobeats, go ahead and let me know down below as well, and hit the thumbs up button. The more thumbs up will let me know that you guys actually like this reaction and want me to do more videos like this. Alright, thanks for watching, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, peace. Mwah.